Hi students, so the purpose of this video that your teacher is showing you is to just explain a little bit more about Canva and how the site works. So you'll be creating either an infographic or poster, and what you can do is just find templates for either one. I've just decided to go with a poster, or you can start from a plain screen. Now with Canva you can choose from a lot of photos. Unfortunately, sometimes there are ones that cost money. So let me just show you this. So see, they'll come up saying free and then you'll go past a bit and they'll start coming up saying premium. You don't want to touch those. Luckily with this site you can choose to upload photos and you can take them from the internet and put them onto your creation no problem, which is great. So you have really great range of images that you can use already on the site, and if you need to, you can go and look on the internet as well. Canva also has these great icons and shapes under the elements section. So say you were doing an infographic and you wanted to have a pie chart to give some information. That's easy done, and you get to choose your percentages. So say item 1 is 5%, and we enter that, and it'll start changing the items for you, which is also a great thing. I'm just going to delete this one. Alright, you've also got a lot of things that you can play around with, illustrations to make your posters a bit more fun, but just remember these do need to be professional. I'm sure you can find something though. Obviously with any good poster you can have your headings and your information, and that is all there for you. Canva's a really easy site to use. I don't want to stress that too much, but it is really easy, and you have a lot of choice and you can design a lot. Again, backgrounds, you can change everything up. It's just a simple click. Again, you do have to watch out for the free and the premium. We don't want to try and pay for something. And luckily, this is a really easy one to use. So I'll just show you with the typing. So we can do that. We can change anything within this poster. And I do want to show you that it doesn't have to be this small. You can choose to make it bigger so you can really see what it's going to look like. And you can choose, similar to most laptops, you can choose different script styles, font sizes, text color, and changing all that around. So this is really about you having a bit of fun and designing what you'd like, and I hope you guys really enjoy this task.